Hi, my name is Gaille. I'm a Looker Studio expert and the founder of Gaille Reports. Today, I would like to talk about Power My Analytics connector. I will pull Facebook ads data to Google Sheets. I already connected my Facebook ads account. It's here. And I already installed add-on. If you have some questions about that, please check previous video. There I observe this moment. Let's create a new tab. I will call it PMA Facebook. Let's go to extensions, Power My Analytics, and show sidebar. I already, if you work with Power My Analytics for the first time, you should click to add-ons, get add-on, find them for Power My Analytics, and make login. I already did it, so I can just click to show sidebar. And I'm doing that. I have here a Google Analytics 4 query, and now I want to create Facebook ads. I click to add report. I can use Facebook ads template. Actually, let's click and see how does it work. I use Facebook ads template. Data account, I select my account, my Gaille Reports hub. Account, I have only one. I have sample account. Let's use sample account. It's better than mine. Can I change it? Cancel. From the beginning, create template, Facebook ads. Gaille Reports hub. Account, sample account. Now it's better. I feel more confident. Then I have configuration, seed, optional. What are these? To get consistent sample data, enter a unique number. Okay. Magnitude, optional. To adjust sample size, enter a percentage. Magnitude, optional. I will not have too much data, and hope my data will not be sampling. I think I just want to pull some data from Facebook ads for maybe 1 month. And usually Facebook ads doesn't have so much data to sample it. Currency USD dollars. Okay, I'm fine with that. Then I have data range configuration. It could be custom start date, or let's select last 28 days, not including today. Set range and finish. Nothing complicated here yet. Maybe not. That is it. Wow. Okay. Did you see what happened? Thanks God I tested this Power My Analytics template here on the test document. So it just removed all my tabs from my document. Yeah, really. I had like 7 or 8 tabs. I tested different connectors. They just removed them. Wow. And created a new one. Ooh. Wow, this script is massive. You see, Power My Analytics created automatically 70 queries. Okay, this was mine, old one. Okay, we have account overview daily, age and gender, location, platforms, campaign, ad sets. Okay, let's just wait. They pull it for the one tab. They pull it for the one tab. Nice. Really nice. I like to do it as well. Do not create. It depends actually. If I have sometimes, I like to do the same stuff and just create a lot of tables on one tab instead of creating different tabs. Oh, it's really interesting. What do they do? And it takes time, so let's see. Creating dashboard. Okay, the easiest way to create a dashboard, but we have instructions here. Let's check which instructions do you have. To Facebook Ads account, Google account, connected, Power My Analytics account, or free trial. We have 3 of them. Step 1, connect Facebook Ads, log into Power My Analytics, navigate to source, click the new data source button, select Facebook and Instagram, follow the prompts. I did it, so I connected my Facebook Ads on a previous video. Then integrate Google Sheets template. Install the Power My Analytics Google Sheets add-on. I did it already. Login, I did. Click more options, select templates. It's exactly what I did. So we're already done with step 1, step 2. And what we have here? We have tab with a lot of tables, with the row tables. We have Power My Analytics tab with query setups. Then we have instructions tab that we observed. Here we have same. Okay, I don't need it anymore. I can delete this query. It's fine. Wow, it's huge. Desktop dark. So we can, let's see triggers. Wow. It's really impressive. Triggers set up for daily 7 a.m. as I did it on a previous video. So I have my trigger, so data will be updated every day at 7 a.m. Okay, we can close this tab and see. Oh, it's really nice. So we have a dashboard created automatically by Power My Analytics, and we have it in Google Sheets. I think if you have bigger laptop, bigger screen than me, it would be really great. And here we have some. Actually, it's really similar with Looker Studio dashboard, what I saw there. But I think it's a bit more tricky to create it in Google Sheets. We have header, we have nice main KPIs, we have dynamic, sparkline filter. Wow, it looks really nice. Publisher platform, rich campaign performance. Desktop light, I think the same dashboard but white on the white background. Ad set delivery, mobile dark. Same stuff to observe data on mobile. I think it's smart, you see? Campaigns dark, campaign light. Campaign performance. Really impressive. So I think if you're a beginner with dashboards, with all these tools, I think it could be really more than enough for you just to use this template. Really nice. Cool. What can I say? But if you want something custom, you can create it as well. And I use it actually a bit in a different way. I use Power My Analytics connector to Google Sheets to prepare data to Looker Studio. Let's see. Let's create a new query. So we used dashboard template. It's really nice. But let's create a new query. Let's check what we will have if we create a new query from the scratch. PMA test. Just add report. We'll already did this stuff. Now we just click add report to edit manually. Here, first field is a connector. We want to pull data from Facebook ads. Then we have data account. I select my Gaille reports hub. Then again, we have two accounts, my own and sample account. We will use sample data. And here we have configuration. We already saw it, but it's same. About data sampling and currency, it's fine. Choose data range last 28 days. But what I like here that we have custom start to yesterday. Custom start to date I don't use because today, like, a day is not finished yet, and depend on the hour when you update the dashboard, it will have different data. But if you update data like hourly, like every hour, it maybe makes sense. For me, I usually update reports daily, and I like to use this custom date to yesterday. But you have a lot of different options of data range that you can use. Let's stop with last 28 days because it's easier, it's simple. And then we have fields with metrics and dimensions. What is interesting here? When you work with Facebook data, it's really interesting in the attribution window, because when different campaigns have like a different attribution window, sometimes it's data pulls not accurately to Google Sheets, and there are some tricks about it. For example, let's pull data day by day. We are interested in, for example, daily stats, cost on Facebook called amount spent. It's not comfortable because like Microsoft ads, Google ads, like every ads platform, they call it cost, and only Facebook ad call it amount spent. Just you to know it. Then we have reach. Not cost per reach. I just want to see reach, impressions, clicks. We have different types of clicks on Facebook. We have clicks all, but also we have link clicks, and I don't remember what do we have more. In-app ad clicks, inline, link, outbound clicks. So we have different type of. We have unique clicks as well. So it's all metrics are a bit different. Usually for statistics, I use clicks all metric. What else could we have here? CTR. Again, we have different types of clicks. We have different types of CTR. So let's select CTR all. What more do we have here? Conversions. Conversions is the most trickiest metric in Facebook ads, because Facebook ads has so many different fields with conversions, and sometimes it's not easy to find. For example, you see I type conversions and we have conversions. Okay, fine. Perfect, I would say. Conversions, but we have different conversions. We have offline other conversions, unique offline other conversions, and unique website conversions. Let's select unique website conversions. Also, we have on Facebook leads. Where is it? Show me. On Facebook leads. It is the same conversion. I mean, it is not the same conversion, but it is a conversion. And for some clients, it could be this one, this metric on Facebook leads. You know, when you have Facebook ads and you have to fill the form directly on the Facebook ads platform without going to other site, it calls Facebook leads. On Facebook leads, sorry. Then it is not at all. We have purchases. Purchases could be conversions as well. Offline purchases. Omni purchases. Just purchases. On Facebook purchases. We have a lot. So it's really painful when you work with Facebook Ads Connector. When you work with Facebook ads, I would say it is painful. How do I manage this? If I have access to Facebook ads account, I open Facebook ads account and I check settings there. I go and really check settings for each campaign. What is the result for the campaign? A result will be our conversion here that would be count. For some campaigns, it could be clicks. And for those campaigns, we will not have conversions, purchases, and blah, blah, blah. We will have only clicks. For some campaigns, it could be donations. They have contacts. So my point is, Facebook ads has millions of fields with different types of conversions. Also, your client could set up custom conversions that if you don't know the name of this conversion, you will never find it here. Or maybe you will find, like this. You can scroll and find. Not the best way. So just open Facebook ads account or ask your client to send you a screenshot with a campaign result. And based on campaign result, you have to select fields here. Also, on the screenshot or on Facebook ads account, it's really important to see attribution window. To what do you count? Last 7 days clicks plus 1 day view. Last 1 day view plus 28 days click or something like that. So you have to know this stuff as well, because it could influence to your data. Filters. I don't want to add filters here. It's already too much. Options. I just want to show you that, okay, we can filter only data that I use for report. Not as, no, for filter I can use, it's order by. I want to order by date. Filter, we can use any field that we are interested in. So I don't have filter options, limit, ascending, descending, show reports header, I don't want, show column header, I want, show all-time value, no data, no, show reports grid lines, I don't want, and let's call it Facebook test. This is our report name. Then I select cell A1 on my new tab, because this is important moment where I put my mouse. Power My Analytics will start pull data from this cell. So this is important. Actually, here I don't have attribution window. It's weird. Okay, let's see. I said about that because in Supermetrics they have this field, and it's a lot of some additional actions for that. Here, thanks God, we don't have it. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, is a benefit or opposite. To click create report. Let's see. Basically, I think I said already what I wanted to say, that when you work with Facebook ads, it's important to know exactly the name of conversions that you count. I think this is a moment that usually takes a lot of time. So don't be afraid and ask your client, what is the real conversion? What is the real conversion for this account? So I pull data. We have rich clicks, impressions, CTR. CTR is 0. Really, something wrong with CTR. It should be like that, you think? Clicks divided by impressions. Yeah, something wrong with CTR. Actually, I don't like to pull this kind of data. If I can calculate it using formula, I prefer to use formula. Because I know how this data was calculated, I can update it, and I can influence for that. And I think this is important. Conversions. 0. But unique website conversions, a lot. How can I know about it? No way. Just ask client or open Facebook ads account. That is it. So this is what I wanted to tell you. If we pull on the conversions field, we will have 0, and we say, okay, Facebook ads didn't bring even one conversion, so we are failed. But we have a lot of purchases and a lot of Facebook leads, a lot. And we have purchases and contacts. So probably if I know, I can pull as a conversions field and count them. So this is, I think, the most trickiest thing about Facebook ads API. Let me test one thing here and let's finish this video. Here conversions and 0. Let's add here campaign level, because sometimes, and other weird stuff about Facebook, sometimes when we add campaign breakdown, we will have data. But when we have only date breakdown, we don't have that. This is because of attribution window, some counting stuff. Here, let's check. I'm not sure what we will have, but let's check. If I add here campaign ID, campaign name for this case. When I edit a new field, I want to click set field. If I don't do it, report will not be updated. An update report. Okay. Let's wait a bit. Now we will have one more dimension field with a date. Why do I like to pull data to Facebook ads? To Google Sheets, sorry. There are 2 reasons. First reason, usually I don't need to pull just Facebook ads data. I have to mix it with something, with Amazon, with CRM system, with Microsoft ads, Google ads, so on. And it's much easier to use formulas in Google Sheets to blend data than use blending data in Looker Studio. Still, now it's July 2023, still Google Sheets is more powerful than Looker Studio if we're talking about blending data. And second point, Facebook ads update their API quite often. Maybe, I will not tell you really often. And when they update it, connector services, they have to update their connectors as well. So when you pull data directly to Looker Studio, you could have issues with your charts and you will not see your charts. When you pull data to Google Sheets, if connector has an error, you will have your historical data. And you will see this data in Looker Studio. You will not see the fresh data, okay? You will not see yesterday, for example, or maybe 2 last days. But generally, all charts will work and you will have historical data. And I think the third reason why I prefer to use connectors to Google Sheets is the speed. Because when you pull data directly to Looker Studio, you pull data in the real time and it takes time. As more data you have, much time you need for that. So sometimes reports work really slow. And when we pull data to Google Sheets, it helps us to avoid this problem. And reports start to work faster. That is it, what I wanted to say. Okay, still 0 conversions. But sometimes, really, from my practice, can tell you that sometimes when you pull data by campaign name, you have conversions. Because of attribution window. Probably Power Analytics did something with that. What important thing what I want to tell you about this, I really recommend you to read documentation. Just Facebook ads connector to Google Sheets, Power My Analytics. I need some... I need support article with some documentations. I just want to find it. Data sources. Security, marketing, support, update, demos. No, it is not what I want to find. I want to find an article with fields. They should have them. Automatic marketing, Facebook Ads Connector. Okay. So API has different tables. And sometimes it's impossible to pull different... Not sometimes. It's impossible to pull data from different tables. And we don't know about these tables before we have an error when we run query. So for those, I'm looking for Schema Explorer. Yeah, it's here. It's here on Power Analytics Tools Schema Explorer. Here we choose connector. And we can have fields here. And we have field descriptions, field type, metric dimension, data type, and table. And this is important stuff, what I wanted to tell you. For example, some data you can find in inside table. And if you want to use some dimension that you don't have an insights table, you cannot run this query. You will have an error. It's not because of Power Analytics, it's because of data storage, about how Facebook collect and keep their data on their servers. So if you try to run some query and you have some issue that this combination of metrics and dimension can't be work together, just open documentation and check tables. So they should be from the same table. They did it really in a nice way. Power Analytics did it in a really nice way, much more comfortable, perfect, much more comfortable than Supermetrics or Google, because like when I read a lot Google support articles, Supermetrics, and this way with filters, super nice. Perfect. Plus 1 point to Power Analytics. Okay, I will finish this video. Hope I provide you a lot. Actually, I think that I provide you a lot of information that could help me when I started to work with data connector services and so on. Hope you like it. Please let me know about it on comments. Subscribe to my channel. And see you soon.